Okay, this is a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2. So I had to replace the brake cable going towards the back of the vehicle to disconnect the e-brake from front here. It was a bit of a challenge. So you have to remove this felt cover, just a couple clips, and it'll come out. Then you see this is the brake cable right here, which I've already replaced. I found that the best way to do this, see if I can get some light in here. Best way to do this was with a small pair of vice grips, and to pull this, let's see, this cable down, and you'll see on here as you pull it down, you can see up top where the cable is back in here, right there. So what I found to do was to pull this as low as it will go, pull this back as far as I can, and put my vice grips right about here to where they're being held back down here on this plate. So it gives me some room to work, and then you just gotta pop that cable off from up top. So again, right there is the connection. The cable's got to go through the gap, which you can see the gap right there. Then once that's disconnected, I found that you gotta take your door trim off, and that just pops right off. And then under here, if you flip the carpet back, when you flip this carpet back, you'll see that you have a plastic footboard that has a screw here, which I've already taken off, a nut that's got to come off, and one back in here that comes off right there. And then you'll have one more. As you see, I removed the driver's seat. Makes things a lot easier. Right here. Once that's off, you're able to pick up the... It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Pick up this plastic, and you'll see under here that there are... let's see. Hold on. You'll see the clips. Here's one. And there's another one back down in there. So as you put those clips in underneath this wiring harness, we'll go towards the back. Walk around here to the back. Again, you gotta take your trim off, and you'll find another plastic piece. The one right here, I just pulled that up and out of the way. Take the trim off. You only need to remove this nut, or this bolt and this bolt to lift the seat up. As you can see, here's my seat. So here's the back seat, and then the cable goes down in through there, and that's it. It'll take you some time. I suggest just getting to it, and the trickiest part is definitely getting it disconnected from the brake pedal assembly, or the e-brake pedal assembly, if you will. Hope this helps you guys out.